Hello, today we are going to talk about the importance that you spend time on nature. We are going to talk about why it's very important that you spend time on nature because you know nowadays people spend time most of the time on their screens, surrounded by electronic devices. I think that is very, very, very bad to us because we belong to nature and we need to reconnect with nature uh, sometimes. So in this podcast, we are going to talk about it. Let's start. Um, why it's important that you reconnect with nature a simple way. If you reconnect with nature, this is going to be a simple way to feel alive again. um, in our busy lives, it's easy to forget something very important. We are part of nature. Every day we are surrounded by screens, buildings, noise, responsibilities, but nature is always waiting for us. The trees, the rivers, the mountains, the fresh air, they are still there. They have so much to give us. Spending time in nature is not just a fun activity. It's a way to heal, to rest, to reconnect with ourselves. Have you ever noticed how your mood changes after a walk in the park or a hike in the forest? That peaceful feeling, that calm in your mind, it's real. Nature reduces stress, improves our mood, and it will help us sleep better. Um, Many people say that they feel alive again after spending time outdoors. And that is not a coincidence. Nature reminds us to slow down, to breathe deeply, to enjoy the present moment. We don't need fancy vacations or expensive things to feel good. Sometimes all we need is a little sunlight o- on our skin, the sound of birds, or the smell of wet earth after the rain. Even if you live in a city, you can find a way to connect with nature. Go to a local park, plant some flowers on your balcony, or take a walk at sunset. Listen to the wind, watch the clouds, feel the grass under your feet. These small things can change your whole day. And that is going to be amazing. In a world full of noise and speed, nature gives us silence and peace. It reminds us that we belong to something bigger. So, next time you feel tired, stressed, or lost, go outside. Let the trees hug you. Let the sky inspire you. Let the earth carry your worries away. Nature is not a luxury, it's necessary, and it's calling to you. Um, Many of us spend most of our times indoors, sitting in front of screens and surrounded by noise and concrete. But we know that we are missing something, nature. And spending time in nature environment is not only enjoyable, it's vital for our health. For example, a research from the University of Exeter found that people who spend just 2 hours a week in nature report significantly better health and well-being compared to those who don't. 2 hours, that's just 17 minutes a day, less than time we spend scrolling on our phones. And here you have another fact. A study published in Frontiers in Psychology revealed that even 10 minutes of sitting or walking in nature can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and improve mood. And the best part, you don't need to climb a mountain. A nearby park, tree-lined street, or own garden can work wonders. Nature has also been shown to improve concentration and creativity. In one study, children with ADHD showed better focus after spending time in green spaces. Adults do benefit. Researchers from the University of Michigan found that memory, performance, and attention span improved by 20% after a walk in nature compared to a walk in the city. Being outdoors also boosts our immune system. Trees release chemicals called phytoncides, which help protect them from insects. When we breathe these natural substances, our bodies respond by increasing white blood cells, the ones that fight off infections. Um, but beyond the science, there is something else, a feeling when we step into nature, when we feel more grounded, more present, more alive. The sound of birds, the smell of fresh air, the sight of green leaves moving in the wind. These simple things remind us that life is more than to-do lists and deadlines. Even if you live in a busy city, you can still reconnect. Visit a park, take a walk at sunrise, sit under a tree, or bring plants into your home. Nature doesn't ask for much, just your presence. And if you are still here, thank you for listening this beautiful podcast. And have a great and wonderful day.